Stop it, I was trying to take a video for doing that.
My name is Donna. I really did get hurt, and Chapin really helped me. We were 130 miles away from the nearest hospital. They told me later I was lucky that I survived. I did a lot of research before I selected Chapin. I'm very pleased with my decision. They took care of everything, and I would recommend it to anyone.
I'm attorney Eric Chapin. I promise, when you're my client, I'll work just as hard for you. If you've been hurt here in the West Virginia or Ohio area, call me.
It's just that easy.
We'll come to you. Call 1-800-233-7000.
She got scared.
We're back with Kunal Nair from the Big Bang Theory. We've been up against each other. We played badminton last time. He somehow, I don't know how, because badminton I'm pretty good at.
Yeah.
You're on a basketball team, right?
Yes.
I am really bad at basketball. That's the one sport that I'm bad at. Actually, bowling also. So we're going to have 45 seconds on the clock. We're going to see
She my baby. No, you don't like that, don't you?
But you never know. Ready?